Welcome to Exact Solar's local solar tour. Our next stop showcases the home of Anthony Hillman from Horsham, Pennsylvania, who is proud to showcase his 11.52 kilowatt system featuring Axitec panels and SolarEdge inverters. Anthony had a wonderful experience working with Exact Solar and highly recommends them to anyone considering solar energy. What impressed Anthony the most was the clear communication he received from the Exact Solar team about the options available for his roof design and panel selection. Every option presented to him included a clear explanation of expected payback time. Anthony was also impressed by the professionalism and respectfulness of the Exact Solar team, and their depth of expertise made the entire process simple and straightforward. From handling township approvals to providing thorough information about SREC options, Exact Solar guided Anthony through every step of the process. Anthony highly recommends Exact Solar for anyone looking to make the switch to solar energy. With Exact Solar, you won't be disappointed.